With Express Appliance here to demonstrate how to check for a heating element, a bad heating element. Now, okay, first step is you want to unplug your machine and make sure it's unplugged so that way you're not getting shocked here. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this back panel. And you got several screws on here, 1/4 inch. So you can either use a drill or a 1/4 inch nut drive, which I like to use.
That valve is, it's not letting the hot water in. Okay. And it's
Okay, and when you get in here, you got 2 screws, one on each side of the heating element. Remove those 2 screws.
no.
And pull all the wires off the side of the element here. If they're a bugger, use a flat blade screwdriver to help you pop them off. And just pull out the bottom of the whole canister. So then you get a new heating element, or I don't know.
Explain that. Go ahead, hit pause.
Okay, so when you pull the heating element, you can look visually to check, see if it's broken anywhere. If not, you can get an ohm meter and put on the 2 leads here on the end to see if you have any continuity. If you don't have any continuity, it tells you have a bad heating element. To reassemble, you do the exact opposite of what you've done. So you just put it back in. In this case, I'd start off with the screws. Plug the wires into the correct spots. Put your back panel on and you're good to go.